I'm out here working on this Malibu today, changing the fuel pump. What I did it the easier way. I didn't drop the gas tank. I just took this cut off wheel, cut me a hole up under the seat. Now I'll just pop the clips out. You know, the little clips, I use a screwdriver, pop those out. So I'll just take this apart, unplug it, unhook the fuel line. And just pull the whole unit out. What's holding it in there? This little plug right here. See, so I have to use a screwdriver, pop this little plug out. So I just popped this little clip off. You have to take this little clip off right here to get it off. And now I can pull the whole thing out, just like that. Now it's time for me to run to the auto parts and go get a whole nother one of these. I had to take it apart to make sure I get the right one. You always want to do that because they got 3 different ones to go to the Malibu. Anyhow, everybody have a good day. I'm on my way to the auto parts.